Another day being a doctor.
Is this, hello? Is this room 208?
Yeah? Okay, come on, come on. What happened? What happened?
No.
Tell me.
No.
Take a seat, take a seat, take a seat.
No, I'd rather not.
Okay, well, I need to treat you. Oh. Ooh. Okay, let's see.
It's in my booty cheeks.
I'm gonna have to give you a pretty... Just stand up on the wall real quick. Yep. Okay. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Okay. Did the anesthesia work? Okay. Oh, missed. Just wait for a while. It got out of you. Do you want it?
Oh, got out of my booty cheeks?
Yep. What even happened?
The rat started charging underneath the booty.